welcome to my channel. And yes, it is time for a second Walgreens haul. And I wanted to find a little bit more deals for you guys, but I couldn't. There's just not the greatest deals, and they give you a lot of like bonus stuff, but just not enough. And we're having a snowstorm right now. It's like Mother Nature, make up your mind. This is ridiculous. It's the 3rd of April. You tease us with some spring weather, and now it's freezing cold outside and snowing and full of ice. I'm sick of it, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now I'm out of breath. Yeah. So, what happened is, Walgreens is now getting rid of their toys that they sold around Christmas time, so you guys will definitely want to check Walgreens out. I went to my normal store and they marked all their, not all the toys, but the certain toys that they have around Christmas time for 70% off, so I could not pass up that deal, so I'm going to show you guys those deals, and then I'm going to show you guys my couponing deals. So, with my couponing deal, I did the Clairol hair dye. The Clairol hair dye. This one I think is $8.99 and this one is $7.99. You guys want to use a buy one get one free coupon. The coupon will only take $6.98 off. It's buy one get one 50% off. You guys will end up paying $4.95 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate for this and a $2.50 rebate for that, making a 5-cent moneymaker. Now, if you guys have the Shopkicks app, definitely recommend doing that. All you do is you guys can just open up the app while you're in Walmart or Target and a bunch of other stores, and you get points just by walking in the door. It's usually like 15 points, and you guys can get like a gift card just by scanning certain items and walking in the door. And then if you guys buy certain items, you get points. So I think if you buy this one, I think it's one or the other, you get 200 points. If you guys buy this and then this root touch-up thing, you guys get additional like 700 points, I think is what it is. But I didn't buy the one root touch-up, so I wonder if that is it. No, I don't remember. No, it's not. But I ended up just scanning my receipt for a Shopkick, so I will be getting bonus points for that, so that becomes an even better deal. So definitely check that out. It's super easy. That's actually one of the apps that I've been using before I even couponed, before I found out about Ibotta. I've racked up some serious stuff, but I do have the referral link below. If you guys join with my referral link, you guys get 250 kicks. I think 1,200 kicks is a like $5 gift card, and you can use that for Target. So that is awesome. I'm saving up for a Disney trip with my Shopkicks money. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up doing the Olay and the Old Spice deal. Now, I don't get a lot of men's body wash, so I kind of got a lot of the men's body wash. So, these, now this isn't the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys anyways. These are $4.99. Now, there is a 6 off of 3 coupon on the Walgreens app, so you guys want to clip that to your card. Now, if you guys are having problems with those coupons not coming off, have them physically scan your card. I was having problems, and now I only have them scan my card, and now I don't have problems with my digital coupons coming off. So you guys want to use that 6 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $8.97 with that. Now you can pay with points for this deal. So after that, you guys will end up getting 2,000 points for buying 3 of these, making them $6.97 or $2.32. I wouldn't say that is the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys that deal in case you guys have some bonus things on that. So I definitely wanted to share with you on that deal. Now, I ended up getting the whole blends because I had 3 coupons left of the $2 off coupons, and they expired this Saturday, and I wanted to use them up. Now, please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. That is the reason why I did this deal. So these were $3.99. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. I only had 3 left. Plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you'd get these for just 99 cents a piece, which is still a good deal. So I just wanted to use up those coupons. So I got 3 of those because that is all that I had left. And then I ended up getting toothbrushes. I ended up buying like 8 toothbrushes because it's such a great deal. Like I said, I'm just stocking up on toothbrushes. Now, if you guys are not sure what toothbrushes are on sale at your store, you can just scan one of these and it'll tell you if you get points. So I bought 8 of the Walgreens toothbrushes. These are $1.29. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You'll pay $2.58 for 2 of them, but then you get 2,000 points, making it just 58 cents. Now these do go towards beauty points, so if you guys buy a ton of them, you'll end up getting 5,000 points. So they could be out to be free, but I wanted to definitely share with you guys on this deal. You cannot pass up a great deal on toothbrushes. So had to get those, and my store did not have a mark, so I just kind of guessed and scanned it with the app. And I will be making a video of how to figure out things with the app. I'm just going to start slowly like figuring out certain deals to share with you guys. And so there was that. My total for that came to $19.11. I ended up getting 15,000 points back. I got 8,000 points for the toothbrushes. I got 2,000 points for the Old Spice and Olay. And then I hit beauty, so that was 5,000 points. So there was that. And then I submitted 2 $2.50 rebates on Ibotta for the 2 hair dyes. So that was $5 right there, and then I got a quarter for any rebate. So I ended up getting everything for a $1.14 moneymaker. So I got all that stuff for free. So that was a super awesome deal. And then here I'm going to show you guys what I got with my 70% off toys. Now, I like to shop for gifts for our family and friends way in advance. I have like a little box that I put everything in because we do have some, you know, I know the day when Ben's like, Mom, I have a birthday party to go to, I need a present and I don't want to go anywhere. So I'm like, okay, just pick a couple things from the party box, and then, you know, when we have a party or something, I can do a little prize box and give kids prizes. So this Barbie tea set, I don't know how much this was originally, but I think it was on clearance for $2.99. So I think it was maybe $29.99. I don't remember. I would never spend $29.99 for it. But it is a metal tea set, and you guys can hear the metal, but it comes with 4 cups, 4 saucers, 1 teapot, and a lid, and then a small tray. I thought that was super cute, so I got this for $2.99. This toy train was also on clearance for $2.99. I thought this would be a super cute toy to have for a kid. We have a friend who is having a birthday soon, so I thought I'd give this to him.
I'm having a birthday with that?
That's not for you.
Why?
Because this is a baby toy. You don't need a baby toy.
Why?
It's fun to play with. So we ended up.
For the birthday.
Okay. Can you give me that red bag over there? So I got that train for $2.99, and then Ben was with me, and I got some more stuff. I ended up getting 2 of these Olafs. These were actually 90% off, so I got this for $2.99, which I think was awesome. But you put food in his mouth, you put like this food in his mouth, and he swallows it, but he says stuff.
That went right through me. Surprise! I am Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
So we got this for $2.99, and I bought one for somebody for a birthday present, and then I bought one for another one for a birthday present, but my son really wanted it. And it comes out of his butt. Like, you put the food in his mouth and then it shoots right out of his butt. So I'm like, whatever, we'll get that for, you know, somebody to play with. And then
That's for Aiden.
It's for Aiden?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have two boys that Ben plays with every single week.
Mommy,
And
the food comes with his butt.
yeah, the food comes out of his butt. So I thought these would be great gifts to give to the guys. The boys play with stuff like this. But these are Benjamin, back up a second. These are Transformer rescue bots. And I thought these are super cute. And they come with, you know, the little guy. And these were, again, $2.99. I could not pass them up. And they had, I know who this guy is, Bumblebee. They had Bumblebee, and then this is Blur. And then we got High Tide. So for $2.99, you cannot go wrong with little boy action figures. So I got those, you know, and they're play school. So I thought that was a great deal. And then I ended up getting this tray. This is a Lightning McQueen tin tray. It comes with the tin tray, a paintbrush, acrylic paint, stickers, sheets, mini markers, crayons.
Let me see it.
And then little pieces of paper for them to paint on it. And then, you know, the tray that has the thing. And so that was just $2.99 also. So I thought that was super cute to have for future gifts, or if I want to have Ben, like, you know, if we ever go somewhere, he can, like, play with that when we're out and about. It's kind of a cute little tray, but that was all that. I ended up paying in a separate transaction for that stuff because I thought that stuff would be a great deal. So now we got some more gifts to give, and then I could always just give stuff, you know, for Toys for Tots or other things. I like helping out, you know, people. So I'm on a hunt to look for more toys and see if we can find more deals. But yeah, that was my haul. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I'm super excited that I got 70% off of the toys. You know, I love stuff like this.
Sugar rush.
So, yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
And subscribe to my channel, as Benjamin says. I also want to thank each and every one of you. Last night, I hit 17,000 subscribers. I don't know, to me, I get super excited. I get super excited every time I get a milestone. Like, I actually have a goal of getting to 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But I'm super close. You know, I only got a little. I am only at 17,000, but hey, that is an awesome milestone. I never even thought I was going to even get this big. And most of you guys do know I want to make this my full-time job. So if I can do more deals and share more deals with you guys, I'll be super excited. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.